It's time for another unboxing event. I have a box right here. There are some shoes from Dripto Token, so don't forget, Dripto Token is a good way of getting some shoes with cryptocurrency, the #1 shop to earn platform in crypto. Check it out. So I got the little box cutter right here. And by the way, my name is Shelton, the captain. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to open up the box up, and what's in this package? It's some shoes. I'll just tell you that right now. So what kind of shoes do we have? So we're going to open it up. And woo, look at that. I see Dripto already, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so look at this. Look at this. Got the little package, the little address package from USPS. So let's go ahead and break it down. Open up with your chest. Okay, here is the package to the ground for right now. And then now we're going to open up these shoes from Dripto Token. Even got a little QR code here so you can scan it. That's really good so far. Nice box from Dripto. San Francisco, by the way. I'm in Daytona Beach, Florida. Okay. And let's look and see what we got here. I love the packaging. You see how the packages are already? Look at this. Got a nice little foam in here for protection and security. And so when I open it up, that's why you need to get some shoes from Dripto Token. I'm telling you, every Wednesday, the Dripto Grails discount shoes. Use your cryptocurrency with the partners. You can use Shiba, Vault, Colt, even Dripto, or even Ethereum. So that's the little box right there. And like, oh, look at this. Okay. All right. So now we've got the box of shoes. So already, I'll tell you a little secret. Adidas. It's Adidas. So let's open them up right now. And we're gonna kind of slide it out of here. Look like we can slide it out. Slide my shoes out. Okay, the first thing I got is a card. Thank you for your purchase. We appreciate you for being a part of the Dripto family or Dripto community. Tag us on socials and show us your drip. All right, I like that little welcoming card. And this is the Streetwear Culture Crypto Technology. I love the branding, the type for you can scan the QR code. Dripto's right there, a little about us, solution, how it works, and a little thing on the back of detailed information, shop to earn cryptocurrency. This is the #1 platform for streetwear using cryptocurrency. I can't wait for the marketplace come out because then you'll be able to definitely shop almost all the time. All right, I would say all the time. So look at what we got here. We've got some Stan Smith Adidas low top white shoes here. This is what they look like. Look at that. And it says, for the ocean. And I live near the ocean. Look at that. For the ocean. And I live near the ocean, Daytona Beach. And I've got 2 shoes, of course. Look at this. And look at that. And I love this feel. It smells real good. I feel like I'm coming right from Foot Locker. Not a sponsor. Or Champs. Not a sponsor. Oh, Famous Footwear, not a sponsor. Dripto Token, there we go. So look at this. You can see this right there. Adidas, and even got the QR code right there. Look at that. A lot of branding. I love them. They feel really, really good. I'm gonna try these on. I'm gonna have another video in terms of how they feel, but they smell really good. Got a nice little, look at this, little keychain in there. Okay, certified. It says certified on there. And then a card, authenticated and shipping from California, the great state of California. And that's what we got. So we got 2 shoes here, and I'm gonna try these on. Adidas, Stan Smith, low top whites, and anything else that it says here. It just says Adidas, Stan Smith, endorsed by. So if you want some shoes like this, check out Dripto Token. I got the link in the description. Go there and then check out the Dripto Grails. I'm telling you, discount shoes using your cryptocurrency, the #1 shop to earn to use crypto like Vault, like their partners like Vault, Shiba. You can use Ethereum, USDC, or even Dripto, and among others back there. So check it out. Click on the link below, and I'm gonna go ahead and try some shoes on and take a walk outside, and I'll see you on the next video.